In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money in Etoro, guiding you step by step through the process. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will provide you with the clarity you need for a smooth withdrawal experience. Let's start by navigating to the Etoro website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.etoro.com. This is your gateway to managing your investments in stocks, crypto, and ETFs, all in one powerful app. Once you're on the home page, you'll spot the Login button. Click on it to access your account. This will direct you to the Login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you've got your username and password ready to go. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Etoro home page. Here, you'll see all your investment panels and relevant financial information. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first due to all the available options, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it. Next, you'll want to locate the Withdraw Funds option. Usually, it's tucked away under the Discover section, or sometimes right on the main dashboard, depending on the layout. Clicking on Withdraw Funds will initiate the process of taking money out of your Etoro account. This option is specifically designed to make the withdrawal process straightforward, ensuring your funds can be moved securely and efficiently. Once you've clicked on Withdraw Funds, a prompt will appear asking, "Which account would you like to withdraw from?" Select the account where your funds are currently available. It's essential to choose the correct account here to avoid any confusion or errors in the transfer. Now, you'll see a section labeled Available Cash. This displays the cash amount you have ready to withdraw. Click on this to proceed. This ensures that you're only withdrawing funds that are available and settled in your account. A crucial step to avoid any potential overdrafts or unsuccessful transactions. After confirming the available cash, go ahead and click on Continue. This will lead you to the final steps of the withdrawal process. At this point, you might be asked to confirm or review your transaction details. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. You wouldn't want any mistakes that could delay your access to your funds. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of withdrawing money from Etoro. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you interact with the platform, the easier these transactions will become. Thank you for watching. And if this tutorial helped, be sure to share your experience or any questions in the comments below. Happy investing!